Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 6, linear equation, lines and angles. First we will discuss about lines and angles. Okay. Lines and angles, these definitions you have studied earlier also, but I will revise it. Lines. A line does not have any endpoints, you know that. It has an infinite length. The length of any line is not fixed. Okay. Suppose that is a line that is L and we can extend it infinitely. It's depend on us. Line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. Is a segment in a line whose length is fixed and whose endpoints are fixed. See, look at the figure. I have made here AB. That is a line segments. Endpoints are given and the length of the segment will be fixed. Angle. An angle is formed by two rays. You all know that. And they have a common point. So here two rays are here, OA and OB, and they are meeting at a common point O, and therefore AOB is an angle. They are forming an angle. And types of angle, there are so many types of angle you have studied earlier also. Acute angle, which is more than 0 and less than 90. Right angle, which is 90 degree. Obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 but less than 80. Straight angle, which is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle, that is greater than 180 but less than 360. Complete angle, that is complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Intersecting lines, you all know about intersecting lines. The two lines are intersecting lines when they are meeting at a common point. Vertically opposite angles are forming in a intersecting lines. When two lines are intersecting lines, then the angles that are opposite to each other, they have a common point but they don't have any common arm, then they are known as vertically opposite angles. When two lines are intersecting each other and the angles formed by them which have a common point and no common arm, they are known as vertically opposite angles, and their values are always equal. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. The measurement of these angles are equal. Adjacent angles, the angles that have a common arm. If we have two angles AOB and BOC, they have a common arm OB and they have a same vertex O. So such type of angles are known as adjacent angles. And the pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree is called linear pairs. Okay. Adjacent angles, the angles who have a common, if two angles have a common arm and the same vertex, then they are known as adjacent angles. And the pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree is called a linear pair. See, look at here. They are two adjacent angles, they are forming a line, therefore they are linear pairs. And if we have three angles like that, they are also forming a line. So that means they have linear pairs, and the sum of linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Okay. So let's take a look of exercise. Exercise 6.1. Look at the first question. Look at bacha. First you will revise the things what I told you, because if you know the basic things, you are not able to solve the question if you don't know the basic things. In figure, line AB and CD intersect at O. Two lines are here, AB and CD. They are intersecting at O. If they are intersecting at O, it means 1 and 4 are vertically opposite angles and their values will be equal. And they are saying angle AOC. Angle AOC means angle 1 and angle BOE means angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE. BOE is angle 2 and reflex of angle COE. COE is 3. So reflex of angle 3 and angle 2 we have to find out. First of all, given that what is given, AB and CD intersect each other at O, Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. I have mentioned because I have mentioned here. Angle AOC is 1. So angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 70 degree. That is given in the question. Angle BOD is equal to 40. Angle BOD is equal to angle 4 means 40. We have to find angle BOE means angle 2 and reflex of angle COE. COE is angle 3. The angle 3 reflex. So first I am finding the reflex of angle COE. For that we have to find out the angle COE first. So angle COE is equal to 3. If you will look at the figure line AB. So three angles are here, 1, 3, 2. They are forming a line. So they are linear pairs. So for line AOB, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. They are forming a line and they are linear pairs. And I have told you earlier also the sum of the linear pair of angle is 180 degree. And 1 plus 2, it is given in the question, that is 70 degree. So we are keeping the value of here. 70 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 180. When plus 70 will comes here, it comes on minus. So 180 minus 70 means 110. Okay. So angle 3 is equal to 110. Now they are asking for the reflex of angle COE, means reflex of angle 3. So reflex of angle 3, for getting out the reflex, what we are doing? We are subtracting the value of angle by 360. 360 minus what is angle 3? 110. So we are getting 250. So reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degree. Now we have to find out the angle CBOE. So how we will find out? If you will look at here, it is given in the question that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. It is given in the question that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. But angle 4 is equal to angle 1. They are vertically opposite angles. And angle 4 is equal to 40 degree. Angle 1 is 40 now. If angle 1 is 40, so we can keep the value here. 40 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 70 minus 40 means 30 degree. Now angle BOE will be 30 degree. Understood, bacha? Now look at the question number 2. In figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. Figure is there. You have to look at the figure first. Two lines are here, XY and MN. They are intersecting each other at O. That P is a different line. Okay. Then they are saying to you that angle POY is equal to 90 degree. It means it is perpendicular to the line XY. Okay. Angle A and B, their ratio is given, that is 2:3. Find angle C. Okay. Suppose we want to angle C, so we can do like that. We will see the line MN. In line MN, two angles are there, B and C. If we will calculate B, तो we can take it. अगर हमारे पास B आ जाएगा तो it will be easy for us. By linear pair we can take out the angle C. तो पहले first we will calculate B. तो how we will calculate B? We'll look at the line XY. XY में 3 angles बनना है, A, B and angle POY. तो for line XY, A, B and angle POY is equal to 180 degree. अब angle A ratio B is given, that is 2:3. तो therefore angle A कितना हो जाएगा 2x and angle B is equal to 3x. Now we will keep the value in the equations. Okay. Angle A 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, plus 90 is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 90 means 90. So x will be 90 upon 5, that is 18. अब x आ गया तो we will keep the value here. अब a is equal to 2x यानी कि 2 into 18, तो a will be 36. b is equal to 3x यानी कि 3 into 18, तो 3 into 18 is equal to 53. Now we have to calculate C because they are asking for the C. तो we will look at the line MN. MN में देखिए दो एंगल बनने, B और C. तो sum of these two angle will be 180 degree. तो एंगल B plus C is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. तो एंगल C कितना हो जाएगा 180 minus B. Now we will keep the value of B here. B की वैल्यू कितनी है 54. तो 180 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 126. तो वैल्यू ऑफ C इज 126. दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके बच्चा.